guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Walmart beauty box unboxing. So if you guys want to see what we got inside for the winter box, then keep watching. If you follow me on Instagram, you may know that I've been getting this box for probably like a year now, and I've never done an unboxing on my channel. I've talked about a lot of the products I do get in these boxes in like favorites videos or a lot of the times empties, but I've never done an unboxing, and this is going to sound so stupid, but I honestly think it's because they always come on like a Saturday. Very rarely do they come on a weekday, and I just never think to unbox it, like film it during the week, like after I get the box, because I'll dig into the box on that Saturday and just do everything that's inside that I can possibly do. But this time I was like, no, I'm gonna do an unboxing on my channel, even though I already opened it because my mom and dad just like love to see what I get in these boxes. And I know my dad likes it, it's weird. But this is what the box looks like. They actually changed the box. I used to have the boxes in my background in the corner over here. They were really like pretty and always were like with the theme of the season kind of. But they changed the box. It's almost like a FabFitFun box, like how it opens like this in a way. That's just what it reminds me of. These boxes are $5 a season. It is seasonal. So this is the winter one, like I said in the intro. And so it's $20 a year. And I was thinking about this before. You really get what you pay for with these boxes. So this one, like I said, is $5 per season, so $20 a year. FabFitFun, on the other hand, the other subscription that I get that's seasonal, is about $50 a season, so it's $200 a year. So it's 10 times the amount. This box is a lot of travel size, sample sized items. FabFitFun is, you know, a lot of full size luxury items. So you do get what you pay for, but for me, in my opinion, it's a really good like balance for me. And I honestly do repurchase a lot of the products that I get inside of this box. And I personally think it's really worth it. I really do enjoy this subscription. So this is what the inside looks like for the winter box. I'm just going to set it down here. So every season you always get a bunch of papers, and one of them is always what the box is. So this one is Hydration Heroes, and I can rate and review the season's products. And there's a website, and then they have their hashtag, and I can enter to win a $100 gift card. Ooh, I'll have to do that. I love trying to enter to win things. So then another thing we got is about this Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy shampoo, then something from Pantene, and something from Neutrogena, which all these Neutrogena products look amazing, but we'll talk about them in a minute. So actually we'll talk about the first Neutrogena product, and it is this Collagen Kiss collagen infused lip mask. This mask is designed to leave lips feeling smooth and supple. I'm curious to try this. I talked about in my Yes Oh Yes unboxing that I'm not the biggest fan of lip masks, but I have two to try now because I still haven't tried the one from Yes Oh Yes, but I'm going to try that as soon as I possibly can. Maybe today. Next up, we have this Pantene Rescue Shots Ampule. So this, according to the pamphlet, is an intense rescue shot. And I think it's just a treatment. It helps prevent split ends. You just put this in your hair after you wash your hair, massage it in, and then rinse it out. This looks like a pretty decent size. Let's see. I don't know if this is like the full size product. It's 15 milliliters. It looks like this. But I feel like with this, a little bit will go a long way. You definitely don't need the whole thing, but I definitely want to use this because even though I just chopped all my hair off, I still want to try to like prevent damage and split ends. It helps prevent the split ends, so that's always good. These things are always good to add to your hair for like if you straighten it a lot. Like I straighten my hair a lot, I curl it a lot, so those things are always just good to have. The next thing is another probably like travel size item, and it is a Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I'm very excited for this because my skin has been very dry, so this will be very, very handy. I actually just got another wet skin moisturizer. I got the Nivea one actually from Walmart, which I also got a sample in my Walmart box probably a year ago, but I definitely want to try this out. This sounds really, really good. And Curel's a good brand. I had something else from Curel that I really liked that I got in this box. It was really good. I can't remember what it was. So the next product I'm really excited to try, and it is from LA. It's their Daily Hydrating Clean Daily Facials. So this is a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. There's a dry cloth in here, and all you have to do is just add water. And there's grapeseed extract. So I'm very curious how this is gonna smell because I hate grapeseed oil. So I hope it's not like the same scent. This helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleaning. Smooth skin as it cleans with soft fiber polishes and helps replenish the skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. This sounds really cool. So I'm going to test this out. Let you guys know how it goes. Next, we have a mask. We always get like a lot of sheet masks, and this is from SOAE. This is their Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. So I really, really like SOAE masks. We get them a lot in these Walmart beauty boxes. They are my absolute favorites. This mask is good for detoxing the skin and brightening the skin. There's black charcoal in here, and I have no idea what this word is. It's a very big word. This is soaked in a unique double-sided black charcoal and hologram sheet. The charcoal helps detox and purify, and plant extract delivers and nourishes skin. So fun. This looks like a very fun mask. If it's anything like the pictures on the back, where I don't know if you could see, but it's like holographic. I'm really excited to try this. Like I said, SOAE masks are so good. They have a good sleep. I think it was like an acai sleeping mask. That one I love. They have an exfoliating one that I love. Their masks are so good. I highly, like, 10 out of 10 recommend them. You need to go to Walmart and go try them, or Amazon. Just go on Amazon, just type in like SOAE. They come right up. The next thing is a sample I have gotten probably 50 times, and I'm not even kidding. And it is the Garnier Whole Blends Eau Delicacy Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is the one downside to this box, is that you do get repeat products sometimes, this being one of them. And obviously Walmart doesn't know this, but I get this from PINCHme all the stinking time. So I do have probably a couple samples downstairs in my bathroom of this. But I really do like this shampoo and conditioner. From when I've used it, I can get like 2 days worth out of this. And I know some people don't like, I don't know what this is called, like the packaging. I can never remember the name. But I like them personally. I have so many because of when I was in cosmetology school, we would go to like hair conventions and like we'd get so many samples. But I like these because when I travel, and I don't travel often, but these are really good to travel with because they're flat. I always have a toiletry bag packed, and like I always have one of these in there. So they are really handy in a way, even though they are annoying. That's just something to think about. Like if you travel, keep these in like your toiletry bag because they're handy to have. I know people don't love them, but it's just a little tip for you guys. The last thing we got I think is so stinking cute, and it is this little makeup bag. I don't know if Walmart's going to be including these little makeup bags in every single box now, but I think it's so cute. It's just a cute silver little makeup bag with like little, I guess like periwinkle raindrops. I don't know why they did raindrops. I should have done like snowflakes, but whatever. I still think it's really cute. I will definitely get use out of this. It's, you know, a nice depth that goes down to here. My wrist, like my whole fist fits in here. Anyone cares? So for $5, I got 2 masks. I'm gonna say this is a full-size item. It looks like a full-size item, a travel size item, and 2 samples plus a makeup bag. $5. That was 7 items. I think that is a really great deal. I will definitely let you guys know how this box was. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely try to do like an update video within the next couple of weeks because I can definitely do that for you guys. And that is it for this unboxing. If you guys get the Walmart beauty box, let me know in the comments down below if you get anything different, because I know some people get some different items. Sometimes it's all the same. So let me know in the comments down below. I'm very interested to hear what you get. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!